He's gonna get it. Go on in there, baby. You'll get it. I'm sorry my camera's blurred and messing up because it's broke. Wish I had a new one. That is the female right there. The male is solid blue. He's pretty because he's attracted women. The females, I mean. I'm sorry the damn camera's moving around. I don't understand. I'm holding the phone still. The damn camera's still moving. She needs to drop some of that stuff. She's got too much stuff on her. There we go. He's up in the tree there. There he is. That's the male right there. That is the male for the female. That's him. He's watching her build that nest. She's having problems. There she goes. She got it. Oh. Talk to her, baby. Axel. Axel. Oh, there you are, baby. I'm sorry. See, he's still sitting up there watching her. So they get ready to have some more babies. And they just left them there not even a week ago. What the hell was that? There he is. He's a pretty little thing. There he goes. He flew. She must have came out when we turned the camera away. No, she's still in there. I see the stuff moving in there. Listen, I'm going to pause y'all for a minute so I can go get my mother.